Hey traders, this is Cousin Vinny with you with a follow-up to the Rimm options trade. I talked to you a couple of days ago about what goes into a successful entry and my criteria for entering an options trade. I used Rimm as an example. Right now we're looking at the daily, and you can see Bollinger Bands have constricted. So what I was looking for was a nice move. Again, I used the 30 minute chart, and you can see right here on Thursday, we were looking at an entry with an oversold stochastic and looking for an up move. So we did. We got that move, and I called out in the chat room that I was looking at the 45 strike, which was trading at 275 at the time, and the 50 strike, which was trading at $1 at the time. So I entered both, 20 of the 50s and 10 of the 45s, I believe. So you can see what happened. We came up, got oversold, overbought really quickly, and then we sold off. I was a little concerned about the sell-off, but I held because I saw this support level come into play, the 50 EMA at 47.65. I saw a constriction here, which works the same way as it does on the daily chart or the weekly. I knew that I suspected that we would probably bounce here. We had an EMA and the lower Bollinger Band. We got that bounce on Friday this morning, and we had a nice run up. The 45 calls went for $4.40 at the high for a change of $1.65 for my entry. And talking about delta, the difference when you're in the money versus out of the money, the 50s increased in price by 45 cents. So $1.65 versus 45 cents. You would have had to double your calls on the 50s to get close to the same profit. Okay, so if you had 10 45s, you would have made $1,650, and with 10 of the 50s, you would have made $450. So you can see where the delta comes into play. Again, this is Cousin Vinny with a successful Rimm trade. I hope you were in it with me. Remember to join us at daytradingradio.com, and remember to take profits. Have a good weekend.